Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your finisher in WWE 2K26. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just go to creations and select moveset. Right here you need to choose the player whose finisher you wanna change. You can go to superstars, custom superstar, downloaded superstars. Like you can toggle between by using LB/RB key on Xbox or L1/R1 on PlayStation. If you're playing on PC, then in that case you need to use your page up and page down button. So in my case, let's say I want to change the finisher of AJ Styles. I can just select that, and doesn't matter even if you want to change finisher of your custom created player, you can do that too. Now go to moves. Right here you can just go to finisher. Here it is. And now you can change finisher in ringside, tag team, ladder, table, rumble, other. So whichever finisher you want to change, just select that. In my case, let's say I want to change finisher in ring. I'll select that, and here we need to choose the one which we want to change. So for the sake of this video, let's change this one, phenomenal forearm 2, and just choose the finisher which you would like to change into. In my case, let's choose this one, missile dropkick 3, and just select accept at the bottom to save these changes. Again hit back button and select save at the bottom, save again, and here we need to choose this one. Okay, and we have successfully changed the finisher of AJ Styles, and this is the process you need to follow in order to change the finisher of your player in WWE 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.